Welcome to us Power Card, and in this video we will learn how to model floor, ceiling and roof. Okay, so we will start with the floor. So before we start, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, then you comment, then you share. Okay, so let's start with the floor. So I have this design, so we are going to create a floor at the first floor level. So what I'll do is I will open my first floor level. So I'll check from my elevations. I'll open my south, then I'll review my levels. If you don't know how to review, use the shortcut RH, or you can use this bulb under this close review hidden element. You can use this command. Okay, so I'll open my first floor level. So this is my first floor level. So what I'll do is I'm going to create a line or a boundary which is going to create the floor. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Now I'll select my floor from the architecture tab. I'll click on it, then I'll make sure my thickness is 150 millimeters. Then also I'll change from pick walls to line. Then I'll click on it so that I can draw my boundary. So then I will start from here. I'll click, I'll move it all the way to this side, then I'll click, I'll come, I'll click, click, so I'll join it to this side. Then I will come and check, because this side is not aligned to this side. So I'll pick align to, I'll align this to this. So align is AL for the shortcut. Alright, so when you are done, make sure the line is a closed loop. There shouldn't be overlapping, because if there is overlapping, Revit won't allow you to create your floor. So there is a staircase over here. So what I'll do is I'll pick rectangle, then I'll draw it across the side. Okay, then I'll finish editing mode. So Revit is asking me to attach my floor, so I'll click on attach. If any warnings come, then you click on unjoin, because maybe the levels are not the same. So click on unjoin. Well, I'll check from this view, so you can see my floor on this side. So this the floor. Now for the ceiling, let's move to the ceiling plans. Then because we want to create it at this side, so this side will be the first floor. So you open the first floor level at the ceiling side, not at the floor plan side, at the ceiling side. So open the first floor, then I will select my ceiling from architecture tab, ceiling. So I'll click on ceiling, then per your ceiling height. You the designer, you have to decide for your ceiling height. So mine is 2800. So I have to change my type. So I'll use my 600 by 600 grade ceiling type. You can choose to use the plain one or 600 by 1200. So now let me create it. So okay, we have two options over here. You can choose to pick automatic ceiling, which is going to do it for you automatically instead of the sketch ceiling. You have to draw it manually using the lines and the rectangles, those drawing tools over there. So I'll use my automatic ceiling, but in case you choose automatic and still you'll be facing a warning sign, maybe it's not allowing you to create the ceiling, then you have to check your ceiling height from there. So let's start. So I'll click on the spaces where I want ceilings. All right, so let me check from this view. Okay, so you can see the ceiling like this. So the ceiling, everything is well placed over here. Okay, so now the last thing left is the roof. So roof, what I will do is I'll open my floor plans, then I'll go to roof plan. So roof plan, from the look you can see some faint plan underlaying at the roof side. If it is not there, then you have to check your underlay where the range base is, and also the range top level and the underlay orientation. You have to check those things. So I'll click on roof from my architecture tab, then I'll check my edit type, check my roof thickness. So let me say I want to use a thickness of 200. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll make sure it is at peak walls so that I can do it fast. So I'll click on these walls to create the footprint for the roof. So after this footprint, what I will do is I will trim. So trim tr trim. So I'll trim this. Let me delete this line. I don't want two slopes over there, so I'll trim again. So this side I will split. Let me split here. So split SL for the shortcut, or you can find it from the modify tab. So after this, I have my roof. So for the slope, you can, per your design, you can choose the slope you want. So this roof is a hip roof, so I'm using my 30 degrees slope. So after that, I'll click on finish edit mode. Then I'll view it from 3D. So this is my roof. So now we have our ceiling, our roof, then also our floor. So in case you want to know more about ceiling, I have a video over there about how to do those petty things. Okay, so the roof to I have this one is the first layer, so you have to do the ridge cap, then also the roofing sheet. So that one too, I have a video on my channel. And alright, so welcome to Power Card. If you haven't subscribe, then share, comment. If you want me to do video or tutorial about anything bothering in Revit, just comment under one of my video. I will attend to you. Alright, thank you.
What? I'm going crazy. What? I'm going crazy.